some oat benefits that will change your life. So this individual wrote this, and I immediately saw it and was like, okay, this is interesting. So oats in general, specifically whole grain oats that are minimally processed, do have a large amount of health benefits, okay? Any whole grain has lots of vitamins and minerals in it. It has lots of fiber, and usually these whole grains, and especially with oats, you are actually, the way you cook them is in water. And when you cook them in water, you're literally soaking up the water in the oats. So it's an easy way to stay more hydrated and get more fluids in your body as well. So it's, once you cook it, of course, it's high in water, it's high in fiber, high in vitamins and minerals. That's going to be the concept of this. That's going to be why oats are so good for your health. It's not because the oat itself has some, magical benefit. It's one of many whole grains that has fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The one big plus though with oats, as I said, is that you do get some extra water in it from taking that in. On the flip side though, you could literally just eat a couple pieces of whole grain bread that's very high in fiber, high in vitamins and minerals, and then have a glass of water, and it would basically be the exact same thing as eating a bowl of oats. I do really like oats because they are extremely filling. They're easy to add protein powder into. You can add some sugar-free syrups and maybe a little bit of cinnamon as well to make it taste a little bit better. Chopping some fruit up into it is another good option. But oats are great. I'm not saying they're not, but they're also not magical and not something you need to eat if you don't want to on your weight loss diet. So go ahead, drop a like if that gave you some good value.